Thank you Resorts World Las Vegas for doing this important work. Buckets Over Bullying started after Nate Bronstein, a 15-year-old teenager, died by suicide after being cyberbullied, and is working to prevent this from happening to other families.
Our casino customers do lots of great things, but some receive industry recognition through industry organizations for their efforts.
The SBC Awards North America celebrates the very best in sports betting and gaming. This next question is true or false. Both Cherokee Nation and Choctaw Casinos won SBC Awards this year. Answer now.